so I didn't really wake up early enough to like do anything, but I did get done getting ready early. So yeah. I don't really know what I'm gonna do for a half hour. I think I'm actually gonna eat some food before I go to work because yesterday I didn't eat at all, so I'm gonna try to do that. Okay, well, I wish you guys could seriously see like the actual colors of everything, but it is so beautiful out. Oh my god. Okay. It's gorgeous. It's a perfect fall day. Okay, you can't really tell. Oh, well, here you can. It's been raining like a bitch, but thank God it isn't as bad now in town. Yeah. So that was terrifying. Like driving through all that rain was actually really scary. Yeah, it was really scary. Like there was points where like couldn't even see like the road or like any cars ahead of me. It was so scary, but like thank God I made it and everything. And I hope it's done raining. Sorry about that. I hope it's done raining by the time I get off work, because during the day driving in the rain is scary, but at night it's even worse. So I really hope it's done raining by the time I leave. So yeah. Okay, well, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Hey guys, so I've been home for a while. I was just like eating food and like visiting my mom and stuff, so I haven't really been doing too much. Yeah. Tomorrow should be a more interesting day because I don't work, so yeah. Yeah, and then I'm just gonna like edit this video and watch more YouTube stuff and everything. Also, if you guys remember my Polaroid wall that you guys see like some of my videos, I added to it finally. It's much bigger than what it was. Hopefully I'll be adding more. But yeah, that's it for now. Hopefully tomorrow I have a more interesting day than these past 2 days. I'm sorry. But anyways, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.